Hey guys, how's it going? How to change clock on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, till you find the wallpaper. Click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to see your current wallpaper. And from here, click customize, right? In the customize, you're gonna see right here, this is your clock, right? Basically, and everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the clock, and I'm gonna select on it, and you're gonna be able to change the font, right? If you want it to be thin or thick, or if you want it to be different templates for your clock, right? You can change it to whatever whatever template that you actually prefer. And if you want to change the color, you could just change the color to whatever color that you actually prefer. And basically you're gonna be able to change the color, and the, how can I say, the depth of that color, basically, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.